Hi, in this video I will show you how to invite new users to qTest. qTest makes inviting new users easy and efficient, saving administrators time and energy. To access administration, select your username icon and then select Administration from the drop-down menu. The Licenses and Users page displays. Here, select the invite icon. Then simply input the emails you wish to send invitations to. Because there's often a need to invite many users at once, qTest allows for bulk email invites. Either type the email addresses one by one, or you can even copy and paste a list of email addresses from any outside source, such as an email chain or a spreadsheet. Once you're done entering the emails, select Invite. An Invite Users dialog displays. You're given an activation link just in case the email invitation didn't work, and you may need to manually send the invitation yourself. Congratulations! You've successfully invited new users to your qTest environment. Thanks for watching.